This project that we're doing right now could be a global game changer because we're actually using the cargo drone behind me, affectionately called the Sparrow, and it's flying humanitarian aid across the bay to an isolated First Nation on an island. And it's the first time in Canada that we've ever had a humanitarian mission run using cargo drones.
How cool is that?
A lot of people don't realize First Nations communities are particularly susceptible to the virus, to the pandemic. They typically don't have very good healthcare infrastructure. There's no hospital on the island, for instance, and they often have underlying healthcare issues. So they're trying to self-isolate. So we're using the drone to deliver pandemic-related supplies from the mainland to the island.
COVID has brought a new challenge for every community. It means looking at different ways of doing things. I mean, all our lives have changed in how we respond to this pandemic. The solutions are out there with different companies, and I think it's great.
The OEC is one of the lead backers of this project. We really see this technology being the future of logistics, and when this opportunity came up, we thought really this checked a lot of boxes, being a great humanitarian project and also testing the technology.
What's really important here is that everybody was brought together to help. So Air Canada Cargo and Pontiac Group identified the need of this community that could be well served with Drone Delivery Canada's technology, and Air Canada Foundation, working closely with GlobalMedic, knew they had the expertise to help. So it's a really, really good example of how everybody's assets and expertise can be brought together for social good. And we're really, really proud of the meaningful connections that have been made to make this happen.
What really excites me even more than helping this First Nation in this community is the global impact that it can mean. Because that little beast can be delivering life-saving aid to people trapped on mountains, trapped because of earthquakes and roads being out, trapped because of storms, and it's just going to save lives. And whenever Canada can step up to the world and save lives, that's a great thing.